Hi guys, and this is a new video about the Snapchat app. Right now I will show you how to find the deleted friends on this application, so let's check the result and how to do it. First and foremost, we need to open our Snapchat, and let's go to this messages section, guys. I also want to go to this search section and find some person I want to delete from the friends list as an example to show you how to find this friend again. For example, I want to manage my friendship with this person and remove this friend. Remove. Let's refresh my Snapchat and I will show you how to try to find this person again. So I want to go to the messages option, tap on the search. And the first step you can check is the recent section on the search screen, because probably you will find the needful person on the list here. As you can check, we have our needful account. But if you don't have the needful person on the list, you can tap on the search bar at the top of the screen also and set the name of the account of your friend. Yes, it is. And let's tap on the add friend button again to add this friend to our friend list. Guys, it's so simple. As you remember, we have two steps to do. Is the first one to check the recent section, and the last one is to find your needful friend using the search bar. Guys, I hope that this tutorial was definitely useful. If it was, don't forget about the likes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And have a nice day, guys. Goodbye.